Hey guys, in today's video, let's look at how we can use VBA to create a button in Excel. Now, before we use VBA, let's add a button manually. There are two types of buttons, but for most situations, the form control type would do. It is the first icon when you go to Developer and then Insert. Once you've clicked Insert, draw your button on the worksheet. Then you can assign a macro to the button. In this case, I'm assigning the Hello World macro. Rename the text of the button by clicking on the text of the button, deleting the existing text, and enter your preferred name. Let's give it a click to see if it works. Great! Okay, now let's do all that. Create the button, assign it, and change the button text with VBA code. Let's open up the VBA editor. Then we want to create a new sub. Let's call it Add Button. Okay, inside Add Button, first thing is to declare our button variable called MyButton. Then with MyButton, we're going to set the name to MyButton, set the onAction to assign the Hello World macro to it, and then the caption, which is the text. The last thing we need to do is to add the button to the active sheet. Here we set MyButton to equals to ActiveSheet.Buttons.add, and then the left and top positions followed by the width and height of the button. Now let's save the macro and test it out. Click on Macros and run the Add Button macro. Our Hello World button has appeared on the active sheet. Let's click on it to see if it works. Great! It works successfully. And so, that's how to create a button in VBA in Excel. We also assign the macro to the button using VBA. Hope you guys found this useful, and the code will be up on the site shortly. See you in the next video.